If Photopea is throwing a JavaScript error, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a browser extension, a cached script issue, or a specific file or integration trigger, and you can usually fix it pretty quickly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to troubleshoot Photopea so you can get back to editing without the constant error message. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the fastest test first, and that is checking whether the problem is being caused by your browser setup. Open an incognito or private window in your browser. On most browsers, you can do this from the menu in the top right corner. Once that private window opens, go to Photopea and try the exact same action that caused the error before. This is an important test because incognito mode usually disables most extensions by default, which means it helps you quickly figure out whether something like an ad blocker, script blocker, or privacy extension is interfering with Photopea. If Photopea works normally in incognito mode, then you found the likely cause. One of your browser extensions is probably breaking the app. At that point, go back to your normal browser window and either disable extensions one by one or whitelist Photopea in the extension settings. In particular, check for ad blockers, privacy tools, tracking blockers, or any extension that blocks scripts, pop-ups, or third-party content. Once you allow Photopea to run properly, the JavaScript error often disappears. Now, if the error still happens even in incognito mode, the next step is to do a hard refresh and clear the site data. This matters because Photopea updates its core scripts often, and sometimes your browser holds onto an older or corrupted version of the files. To force a fresh reload, press Ctrl F5 on Windows or Command Shift R on Mac. This bypasses the cached version and makes the browser download the latest scripts again. If that still doesn't solve it, go one step further and clear the site data for Photopea. Click the lock icon next to the website address in your browser's address bar. Then choose Site Settings, or look for cookies and site data, depending on your browser. From there, clear the data for Photopea and reload the page. This can fix crashes caused by mismatched scripts, broken local storage, or corrupted cache files that prevent Photopea from loading correctly. Next, let's check whether the error only happens during a specific action. This is really important because sometimes the app itself is fine, but one feature or file is triggering the problem. For example, if the error appears while importing from Google Drive, the issue may be related to your browser's pop-up blocker or third-party storage permissions. In that case, allow Photopea to open the needed window and make sure your browser isn't blocking the connection. Then try the import again. If the problem happens with a PSD file, smart object, or a custom script, the issue may be inside the document itself. Some files rely on fonts or embedded elements that Photopea can't fully resolve if they're missing from your system or unavailable in the document. If that happens, check whether the file uses custom fonts and replace them with standard fonts like Liberation Sans or another compatible option. Also, try opening a different file to see whether the error is tied to one specific project instead of the whole app. A good troubleshooting habit is to isolate the trigger, try a different browser, try a different file, and try a different action inside Photopea. If only one file crashes, that points to the document. If the whole app crashes, that points more toward extensions, cache, or browser settings. This process saves time and helps you avoid guessing. So to recap, the main fixes are: test Photopea in incognito mode, check for extensions that block scripts, hard refresh the page, clear the site data, and review any specific action like Google Drive import or a PSD with missing fonts. In most cases, one of these steps will get Photopea working again. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast tech fixes and creative software tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix Photopea when it won't open, freezes on loading, or keeps crashing on a specific PSD file.